Fundamentals of Business Impact Analysis, BIA Best Practices to Implement. As expected, the digital work field is only seen growing and would continue to.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Businesses that take advantage of this are the business that thrives. Becoming a part of this digital world is not that hard, but maintaining consistency and continuing to thrive is the hardest. This is because of the drawbacks it brings in too. Natural disasters, cyber attacks, cyber threats, data leak, and many other kinds of impacts can critically lead business to devastating circumstances. This is why preparing for potential disruptions is more important for businesses of all industries and domains. Understanding the fundamentals of BIA helps organizations develop robust plans to continue the assurance of competitive adversity.
What is Business Impact Analysis, BIA? One fundamental of business impact analysis is to prioritize business functions based on organization's survival and recovery. BIA is a systematic process of identification of potential effects that impacts critical operations of businesses. BIA simplifies it even further by helping you understand and identify operations that are vital and can affect the resources. Business impact analysis sounds complicated but is crucial for all business types since it aids in both growth and recovery planning. It provides insights to develop strategies that mitigate risks and help maintain operations consistent. By proactively evaluating these impacts, BIA helps in creating detailed recovery plans addressing specific needs and organization vulnerabilities. The following are the key steps involved in the BIA process. Scope definition. Establishing the boundaries of the analysis, including identifying the business units, processes, and functions to be assessed. Data collection. Gathering information through interviews, surveys, and review of documentation. Impact assessment. Evaluating the potential impact of disruptions on critical functions and processes. Analysis and reporting. Analyzing the collected data and presenting findings to inform decision-making and planning. The key fundamentals of BIA. The fundamentals of BIA revolve around understanding the core aspects of an organization's operations. We can identify these using a few key principles like criticality assessment, impact evaluation, and dependency mapping. Criticality assessment is the process of identifying potential business functions and processes that are essential for the organization's growth. Impact evaluation is the process of assessing and analyzing the consequences of disruptions on these business functions. Dependency mapping is the final process of understanding the dependencies and interdependencies to strategically plan organization operations, including internal and external factors. Let's understand this better. A fundamental element of BIA is the identification of critical business functions and processes that could affect the organization's ability to operate. This step involves key objectives like revenue generation and regulatory compliance. And the later part is the identification of dependencies and interdependencies. Identifying such relationships is a must for developing a comprehensive operations plan that addresses all potential functions of failure. Importance of business impact analysis. As discussed earlier, BIA is essential for organizations of every industry as it provides a clear understanding of the potential risks and impacts. This understanding of the fundamentals of BIA is the key for planning and decision-making of effective risk management. Identifying and assessing these potential risks offers organizations to prioritize recovery and allocate resources more effectively. Here are a few key benefits of conducting a BIA. Minimizing downtime. Identifying critical functions and planning for their recovery reduces the time needed to resume operations after a disruption. Protecting assets. Understanding the potential impact of disruptions helps safeguard vital assets, including data, equipment, and intellectual property. Ensuring regulatory compliance, many industries require continuity planning. BIA helps organizations meet these regulatory requirements and avoid potential fines and legal issues. Key steps in conducting a BIA. Now that you understand the fundamentals of BIA, business impact analysis, with the importance and the benefits, let's now move to the next step. If you are convinced to conduct a business impact analysis, BIA, there is a systematic approach to achieve or to perform this. Here are a few essential steps. Defining scope and objectives. The first step is to define the scope and objectives as per the business or the organization's goals. Detailing the business units, processes, and functions are a few things that defines the scope and objectives. This step guarantees that the analysis remains focused and relevant. Gathering and analyzing data. To conduct an effective BIA, a thorough data collection and analysis is mandatory. This step can include conducting interviews with key personnel, conducting surveys, reviewing documentations, and more. The goal here is to gather comprehensive information on the organization's operations with aspects like financial, operational, and strategic information. This helps understand the critical and potential impacts. Identifying and prioritizing critical functions. Once the data is collected and analyzed, we now identify and prioritize critical business functions from the data gathered. This process includes addressing the importance of each function to the organization's overall operations with its role in business objectives. Determining RTOs and RPOs. Recovery time objectives, RTOs, and recovery point objectives, RPOs, are the key components of BIA. While RTOs define the maximum acceptable downtime for each critical function, RPOs determine the maximum acceptable data loss. These objectives help setting realistic recovery goals and developing effective recovery plans. By clearly understanding the fundamentals of BIA, it becomes much easier to conduct or implement it in your business operations. With this, you'll have a structured planning for scaling the business by clearly following the goals and objectives. Challenges and best practices in BIA implementation. Since we only talked about the positive side of BIA fundamentals, let's now also explore a few commonly faced challenges for implementing a perfect business impact analysis. Ensuring all stakeholders' engagement can be difficult since they might be reluctant to participate due to time constraints or a lack of understanding of the BIA's importance. Gathering accurate and comprehensive data can be a complex task, while inaccurate data can also lead to incorrect assessments and flawed plans. Limited resources can become another key constraint that hinder the effective implementation of a BIA process, and organizations may struggle to allocate sufficient time and financial aid. To avoid such situations, here are a few best practices that keep you ready for a successful implementation of the BIA process. Involve stakeholders from the beginning to ensure their support. Provide them with the necessary information to understand their role in the process. Use multiple data sources to collect data to ensure accuracy and comprehensiveness, including interviews, surveys, documentation review, and observations. Ensure adequate resource allocation to the BIA process, including time, staff, and financial resources to conduct an accurate analysis. Regularly update the BIA to reflect changes in the constantly evolving business environment. Conduct training and awareness programs to ensure that all personnel understand the importance of BIA and their roles.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.